Welcome back, everybody. So the main celebrities at the forefront of the legal world have been Johnny Depp and Amber Heard. But a new celebrity has now landed in the hot seat. Pop singer Mariah Carey and her co-writer Walter Afanasieff and Sony Music Entertainment are being sued for at least $20 million in damages for the hit 90s holiday song that everyone loves, All I Want for Christmas Is You. No, I'm not singing it. That would just do a disservice to Mariah Carey and everybody else. But Andy Stone from the country pop band Vince Van and the Valiants is suing for copyright infringement, among other claims. He claims to have written the song with the same title 5 years earlier. Carey and Sony have yet to comment on the lawsuit, but that doesn't stop us from talking all about it. So, Simon, okay, now we have a situation here where I'm surprised. The first thing that stands out to me is this song came out, in 1994? He's coming out with this lawsuit now? How do you justify that?
I need to make a disclosure here. I own the Christmas album, and my wife loves All I Want for Christmas.
Who doesn't?
So there might be some bias there. But I have to tell you, I love this lawsuit. This is like Christmas in June. It is extremely entertaining. You asked a great question. I mean, Mr. Vance or Mr. Stone, he wrote this song in 1989. She wrote hers in 1994. And the interesting thing is that this is not about infringing the actual song. This is about the title of the song, which makes it pretty unusual. And for anyone who has Spotify or Apple Music, you can type in your favorite song and it might pop up 5 or 6 titles, but they're different songs. Now, I'm not saying that there's no claim here to infringing on someone else's title, but if you listen to both those songs, there's no similarity between them whatsoever. And I would actually highly recommend watching the video of Andy Stone's All I Want for Christmas. That in and of itself is a Christmas gift. It's the best of the 1980s, shoulder pads, bad haircut.
Wow.
It's exceptional.
You know, we got Top Gun coming back, and it's great. And, you know, the 80s are in the forefront again. So, Matthew, you know, they're different lyrics. They're different melodies. He's suing for $20 million in damages. The likelihood that this gets past a judge, the likelihood that this moves forward, or will it end with a motion to dismiss?
Yeah, I would bring a motion to dismiss this case because it's time barred, okay? On most intentional conduct, there's a statute of limitations. It's pretty short. On negligent conduct, it could be a little bit longer, right? But here, I mean, it's been 30 years or so, right? Where's your claim been, Mr. Stone, for the last 30 years, right? That's a big question that a judge or any court is going to ask. You know, in this case, why haven't you brought it? When did you discover it? And why is it that you're only bringing it now? And ultimately, I think that for it to even get to a jury selection or possibly a bench trial, it's probably going to deal with a lot of discovery issues and a lot of various procedural issues that may never even get at that.
You know, one of the most fascinating aspects of these kinds of cases is also, you know, they'll say, how did Mariah Carey learn about you guys? You know, how did someone from her team learn about your song first? And you kind of learn a little bit who had access to what. So, I mean, these copyright cases or trademark cases I always find to be fascinating, particularly when you're dealing with such a well-known song and a popular song that Simon loves and is probably going to listen to right after this. So we'll see which way it goes. Simon, Matthew, thank you both so much for coming on. Appreciate it. Michelle Yu is up next. Stay with us here on Law&Crime.